Okay, here's what I'm doing. I'm making a symmetrical design, but first I want to plan on some scratch paper. And so I make a vertical axis and then I do little sketching and kind of suggest what it looks like on the opposite side. And I'm trying 2 or 3 different designs until I feel like, hey, maybe I can do this project. And then the next step I do is fold the paper in half and make sure I crease the middle. And what I plan to do is do the design only on one side of the paper. So here I am referencing the design first. I'm just looking at it and then I decide I'm just going to draw something on one half only. So here we go. Notice how I vary the size of the shapes. I did a big fat shape and then a skinnier shape, and I'm kind of overlapping them, and I'm thinking about reaching out into the space with the slender shapes. Now I'm tracing it over hard with a pencil so it gets dark and thick so that I can begin the transfer process. Notice how I have the back of what I just drew on, and then I'm going to kind of look to see through it so that I can um, trace on top. And I press kind of hard, and then I kind of open it up a little bit to make sure that it's transferring, and then I just keep working at it. It takes a little while, and there it is. It's transferred on the left side, and now I'm tracing over it so that I can see the whole design. And then I used an eraser on it, and now I'm doing rubbings from my coaster. And I figured out that I like the back of the coaster has this kind of fabric on the back of it that made a nice texture. Then I traced it with a brush pen. You could use a marker, but you don't have to use a marker. You just use all pencil. I'm making different textures, little bubble shapes and little dashes, and I'm playing around. So what I want you to do is the same thing, only fill the whole background with texture. Okay? Have a wonderful day. Thank you.